Right. In partial fractions, we have four types of partial fractions are there. That is repeated linear factors and non-repeated linear factors. For every linear factor, we have to give one arbitrary constant. Now, we have quadratic factors also, repeated quadratic factors and non-repeated quadratic factors. For quadratic factors, we have to give two arbitrary constants. So we have to use these four types in this our topic. So let us solve first problem here. So this is the given problem. Laplace inverse of 1 by s square into s plus 2. How to find Laplace inverse for this function? Observe the given function here. 1 by s square into s plus 2. He will not mention use partial fraction method or first shifting property or change of scale property. He will not mention the method name in the exams. So we have to find out which method we have to use. Observe the function. So 1 by s square into s plus 2. In the denominator we have two terms. In between them we have product. If in the denominator more than one terms are there and in between them if product is there, so we have to make them separate by using partial fractions method. Now observe this function here. S square and s plus 2 is there. So s square is one term, s plus 2 is another term. So in between them we have product. So we have to make it separate by using partial fractions method. Now let us take this function only. That is 1 by s square into s plus 2. Now let us make it separate by using partial fractions. Here s is a linear factor, right? It is repeating two times. And s plus 2 is also a linear factor, but it is not repeating, right? So now here s square is a linear factor. So for every linear factors we have to give one arbitrary constant, but this s is repeating two times. So you will get two arbitrary constants here. But how to give two arbitrary constants here? See. So first, what is the term? A. So first a by s. Then it is repeating second time. So give b by s square. It is repeating two times. So we are taking two arbitrary constants. Then plus. Here s plus 2, one more linear factor is there. So give one more linear arbitrary function here. So plus c by s plus 2. Now take the LCM. Always left side denominator will be the LCM. So you will get s square into s plus 2 as LCM. Now right here we have s. So what are the missing terms? One s is missing, s plus 2 is missing. So multiply with s and s plus 2 plus b into, here we have s square, here we have s square. So missing term is s plus 2. So multiply with s plus 2 plus c into, we have s plus 2 here, missing term is s square. So multiply with s square. Now so 1 by s square into s plus 2 equals to a into s plus 2 plus b into s plus 2 plus c into s square by s square into s plus 2. Cancel the denominators. You will get 1 equals to a into s plus 2 plus b into s plus 2 plus c into s square. Consider it as equation number 1. Okay. Now observe the equation number 1 here. We have two linear factors, that is s and s plus 2. So let us make it equal to 0. First let us take s. So let s equal to 0 and substitute in the equation number 1. So what you will get? A into, in place of s we are taking 0. So 0 into 0 plus 2 plus b into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 square. C into 0 square. Here this term becomes 0 and this term also becomes 0. So you will get 0 plus 2, 2. So you will get 2 into b. That is 1 equals to 2 into b. From that b value is what? 1 by 2. We got b value. Now we have one more linear factor, that is s plus 2. Again make it equal to 0. S plus 2 equal to 0. That is s equals to minus 2. Substitute s equals to minus 2 in equation number 1 again. So what you will get? Here 1 equals to a into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 2 plus c into minus 2 whole square. Now here minus 2 plus 2 0, minus 2 plus 2 0. So these two become zeros and minus 2 whole square is 4. So 4 into c, 4c. So 4 into c. Then c equals to 1 by 4. We got b value and c values by making these two linear factors as equal to zeros. But we have to find here a value. right? Then how to find a value? Already two linear factors are over, but we have to find third value. So how to find third value? By expanding equation number 1 and comparing the coefficients. Okay, so we have expanded equation number 2, we got this equation. Now in this equation we have two s square terms. Okay, so from these two take s square as common. So if you take s square common, what you will get? Here a and here c, so you will get a plus c. Then we have s in these two as common, so take s common, so what you will get? 2a and b, so you will get 2a plus b, then constant 2b. Now we have to compare the coefficients. So compare, either we can compare this s square coefficient or we can compare s coefficients, because we know c value and b value, we are required to find these a values. So we can compare any value. I am comparing here s square coefficients on both sides. So left side s square coefficient is 0 and right side s square coefficient is a plus c. So what is c value? So what is c value here? C value is 1 by 4. So from that a value will be minus 1 by 4. Now we got a value, b value and c values. Now substitute a value, b value, c value in equation number. Now substitute a value, b value, c values in this equation. Consider this value, this equation as, let us consider it as star. Okay, substitute a value, b value, c values in this equation. Okay, star is equal to 1 by, right, substitute a, b, c values in this equation here. So a value is what? Minus 1 by 4 by s, and b value is what? 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 by s square, and c value is what? 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 by s plus 2. So this is the value of 1 by s square into s plus 2. But we have to find Laplace inverse of this function, right? So 1 by s square into s plus 2 value is equals to, we have to apply Laplace inverse for these three terms. So apply Laplace inverse for these three terms separately directly. So you will get Laplace inverse of 1 by 2 by s plus Laplace inverse of 1 by 4 by s plus 2. Okay, now write these constants outside, then apply Laplace inverse. Write minus 1 by 4 outside because it is a constant. Laplace inverse of 1 by s. Then write 1 by 2 outside, Laplace inverse of 1 by s. Then write 1 by 4 outside, Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2. Okay, next. Now minus 1 by 4 into Laplace inverse of 1 by s value is what? 1. Then 1 by 2 into, again Laplace inverse of 1 by s value is what? 1. Now 1 by 4 into Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2. It is in the form of Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a. So what is the Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a? E power of minus at. In place of a we have 2. So what you will get? E power of minus 2t. So that is Laplace inverse of the given function, that is s square into s plus 2 by using partial fractions method. Okay, let us see the second problem here. That is 4s plus 5 by s minus 1 whole square into s plus 2. Similar to previous problem, solve this problem. Here s minus 1 is a linear factor, it is repeating 2 times. S plus 2 also a linear factor, it is repeating 2 times. Try to solve this problem by using previous method, and it will be the answer of this question. Okay, now let us solve this problem here. The Laplace inverse of s square plus 2s minus 4 by s minus 5 into s square plus 9. Here also observe the denominator, s minus 5 is a linear factor and s square plus 9 is a quadratic factor. Here we have one linear factor and one quadratic factor. So let us take first this function here, that is s square plus 2s minus 4 by s minus 5 into s square plus 9. Here we have two factors. S minus 5 is a linear factor, so we have to give one arbitrary constant. So let us give one arbitrary constant, that is s minus 5. Now s square plus 9 is a quadratic factor, so for every quadratic factors we have to give two arbitrary constants. So let us give two arbitrary constants here, that is how to give b and c, but we have to give like this, bs plus c by s square plus 9, right? Okay. Now let us take LCM. Always left side denominator will be the LCM, that is s square s minus 5 into s square plus 9. Now here s minus 5 is there, missing term is s square plus 9, so multiply with s square plus 9 plus bs plus c into, we have s square plus 9, missing term is s minus 5, so multiply with s minus 5, then LHS is this one. Now we have same denominators, cancel the denominators, so we will get s square plus 2s minus 4 equals to a into s square plus 9 plus bs plus c into s minus 5. Consider it as, before going to consider this one, consider this one as equation number 1 and consider it as equation number 2. Now observe the equation number 2. In this equation, how many linear factors are there? How many linear factors are there? Here s square plus 9 is a quadratic factor. Now here s minus 5 is a linear factor. So we have one linear factor. So if we have linear factors, let us make them equal to 0. From that we can find one arbitrary constant directly. So let us make s minus 5 value as equal to 0. So let s minus 5 equals to 0. From that s equals to 5. Substitute s equals to 5 in equation number 2. So equation number 2 becomes, s value is what? 5. So what will get? 5 square plus 2 into 5 minus 4 equals to a into s square 5 square plus 9 plus b into s value 5 plus c into 5 minus 5, right? Here 5 square 25 plus 10 minus 4 equals to, okay, here 5 minus 5, so this total term becomes 0. Here we have 5 square, that is 25. 25 plus 9, 34. So 34 into a. And here 35 minus 4, that is 31. 31 equals to 34 into a. That is a value is what? 31 by 34. We got a value here. Then how to find the remaining two values? So what are the remaining two values? B and C. Then how to find B and C? By expanding equation number 2, because we don't have any other linear factors here. So expand equation number 2. So expand equation number 2. So what is equation number 2? Okay, so expand equation number 2. By expanding equation number 2, you will get this equation. Okay, now in this equation we have two s square terms. So take s square as common. If you take s square common, what you will get here? A and here b. So a plus b. Then s coefficients common, s and s. If you take s common, what you will get? Minus 5b and here c. Then what are the remaining values? We have 9a and minus 5c. That is s square plus 2s minus 4. Okay, right. So we got this equation. Okay, now compare the coefficients. Which value we know here? We know a value, right? So where we have a, right? Here and here. Either we can compare constants on both sides, or we can compare s square coefficients on both sides. So I am comparing here s square coefficients on both sides. So left side s square coefficient is 1 and right side s square coefficient is a plus b. So what is a value? A value is what? 31 by 34 plus b. From that find b value. What is 1 minus 31 by 34? Take LCM. 34 is the LCM. So 34 minus 31, that equals to 3 by 34. So 3 by 34 is the b value. Now we got a value, b value. Now by compare s coefficients on both sides. You now compare s coefficients on both sides. By comparing s coefficients on both sides, you will get this. That is, on the LHS you will get 2, on the RHS you will get minus 5b plus c. Substitute b value 3 by 34 and take LCM and simplify it. You will get c value as 83 by 34. Now substitute ABC values in equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1. Substitute a value here and substitute b value 3 by 34 and substitute c value 83 by 34. Now apply Laplace inverse for this function. Okay, by substituting ABC values we will get this step. Now apply Laplace inverse for that function. So you will get this type. Then apply Laplace inverse for these two terms separately. Okay, then write constants outside, that is 3 by 34 outside, Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 9, and write 83 by 34 because it is a constant, right outside, Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 9. Now 31 by 34 Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 5, write then this 9 as 3 square and this 9 as 3 square to get into these standard forms. Then use these standard forms here and compare both steps, then use these formulas. Now here 31 by 34 right as it is, Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 5, it is in the form of 1 by s minus a. What is the formula? E power of at. Here in place of a we have 5, so you will get e power of 5t. Then 3 by 34 Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square, what is the formula? Cos at. In place of a we have 3, so what you will get? Cos 3t. Then 83 by 34 outside, Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 9 square, in place of a we have 3, so what you will get? 1 by 3 sin 3t. So that is the Laplace inverse of given function.